has an amazing data type lists. Redis lists are simply strings listed by insertion order. You can add elements in Redis list in the head or in left part or in the tail or right part. Redis list relevant commands starts with L or R or B. For example, lpush, lpop, length, lindex, rpush, rpop, ltrim, lrange, etc. Here is an example shown. Lpush db name, it is the key name, it is the value SQLite. Another lpush db name, the key name and the value MongoDB. Lpush key name, the db name, value Redis. If we list these item elements, we can run lrange command and the range 0 to 3. It will show the value in the insertion order. At first Redis, then MongoDB, then SQLite. Redis CLI lpush key name db name value SQLite lpush db name MongoDB lpush db name Redis. Lrange, it will show the range, all range items 0 to 3. If you show 0 to 1, it will show 2 items. If you print 0 to 0, it will print 1 item. And if you print 0 to -1, that will print whole items.